Today I decided to try dishwashing machine for the first time in my life. I was dreaming about that and now I will try it. For this I especially made dirty 3 plates and couple of forks and I forgot to put one more stuff. This is this one. I cooked little bit salmon. Yeah. Okay, let's try. I put here this some kind of soap and let's see how it works. I don't know really actually. And start. High temperature, normal wash. What is normal wash? Actually light wash, there nothing. Heat, no need delay. We just start. Oh, it makes sounds. Looks like it works. After it will be done, I will show a result. Dishwashing machine finished to wash my dishes, and it took quite long, maybe around 1 hour or maybe even more. And let's take a look. I didn't see myself yet. Okay. I feel hot temperature. This is first of all, wow. And plates also hot. And this is crystal clean, amazing. Ouch! This is really hot. Okay, what about forks? Also crystal clean forks. I love it. Okay, it's really cool. What about this one? Also amazing clean. And the last one is this one. Also good, very clean. Nice, I love it. Okay. Definitely, I love dishwashing machines. So I will use this when my family will arrive. Of course, it will be not already in this hotel. And let's see where we will use dishwashing machine. So highly recommended.